What's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews coming back at you with another knife review. And today we are looking at the TRS, or the Threat Response Solution. This is the 5-in-1 EDC multi-tool knife. Now this thing is super stacked. So right off the bat, as you can see, closed right here, it's an all black knife. Got an aluminum handle on it right here. Got your glass breaker and your seatbelt cutter right here. Now right up here on the spine of the handle, it has a removable fire starter, which you would actually start with the serration of your blade. So that's really neat right there. Now, probably one of the coolest things on this knife is this little light right up here. So you do have an LED flashlight that is incorporated as well on the other side. But a cool thing about this light is, check this out. Bam. It's actually removable. So right there, look how strong that magnet is. So let's see if we can, boom. Yeah, you can make it just sit vertically or horizontally rather. Just make sure that when you go to put it back in that it is lined up, and then bam, it's magnetized and it slides right back in there. Right here on the back side of the knife, it does have a beefy pocket clip on it. It does sit rather low on the handle, so you might have a good bit sticking out, but that's actually not bad, so you'll be able to get to that flashlight with it sitting in your pocket. Now, on the blade, it just has a single thumb stud. It's a standard manual opening knife. It seems to open super smooth, though. Right up here at the top of the blade, it's just your standard drop point blade, half serration, half straight with your EDC right there. But again, just a single thumb stud. Now, they do have jimpings that they've incorporated into the top of this blade. However, to really access them, if you wanted to do any type of control work or utility work, you're going to want to remove that flashlight, and then you can access these jimpings at the top of the knife. So, with the flashlight in, they are going to be a little bit harder to get to because you would have to come across over it, and you don't want to be putting too much pressure on the top of your flashlight, but remove that, and you can access those jimpings right there. And boom, you can actually get really good control with it. But that's it, guys. Just a quick look at the TRS, or the Threat Response Solutions knife. It does have a simple liner lock right there in the middle. Push that piece of metal to the side, and that's how you close your knife. But appreciate you watching, guys. Hope the review helped. If it did, let me know in the comments section. And if y'all want to check it out, I'll also leave a link in the description where y'all can get one of these. But appreciate you watching. If you want to see a more in-depth review on it, be sure to go check out our main channel over at Product Probes. And we dive into the light. We actually test the fire starter. So if this didn't really help you out, go check that out where we dive in a little deeper. But appreciate you watching, guys.